I'm here today at Classic Car Auctions, and I have a car for auction today, and it's an XJ-S 1987 V12 with a difference. When I restored this car, I converted it to a hatchback. This is the second car I've done, and this is only done 56,000 miles, only done 2,000 in the last 3 years that it's been converted. The hatchback was engineered originally from an upside down Audi TT merged with the original boot. Well, originally I was an apprentice at Jaguar, and back in 1981 I did a sketch of a hatchback, and in 30 years nobody had done one, so this is my second car, having done one in 2010 also.
So you want something sleek and glamorous, and then check out the Jaguar E-Type featured in our launch issue, alongside many other features such as
buying guides, owner's tips, and even how to buy your own first classic car.
Go Classics is about the cars that you relate to, the cars that you've dreamed of, and the cars that you can own, run and enjoy. At Go Classics, we'll tell you how.
Go Classics is the most exciting car magazine on the shelves today, and it's out now. And you can get one by heading over to goclassics.co.uk, where you can find some of our fantastic limited time subscription offers.
forget about the boring, the pompous, the self-important. If you want something new,
Go Classics!